Hi guys, as we know, all your location data is accessing by Google through map. The places you have visited, the trips you have taken, and your ongoing visit all are assessing or tracked by Google. You can easily turn off timeline, launch Google Map, and here click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose your timeline. Either you can completely turn off timeline, otherwise you can delete activity more than 3 months. Choose activity controls. Here you can see timeline. If you want to turn off completely, then choose turn off, otherwise choose deleting activity older than 3 months. Click on it and here you will find three options: auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. Choose minimum as 3 months and click on next. Your visiting places, your location history, your all your activity through timeline is automatically will be deleted after 3 months. If you want to completely turn off, then click on turn off and Google will not access your location or track your location anywhere. So you must turn off timeline through Google Maps. That's all.